Yo, this is gonna be a really fast and short, practical, straight to the point video on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, anything. Yeah, I'm extremely exhausted right now, so yeah, this is just gonna be a really short video. This is March 12th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 247 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I don't know if you guys have actually know about this or realize about this, and if you guys have actually realized about this thing, yeah, I'm still pretty confident that I'm gonna be giving some valuable tips to you guys. But notice that one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is that because we don't really have a clear plan when are we going to be doing it. Okay, we only say to ourselves that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing this thing after school, but then after school comes, right? After school comes, we say, I need to relax a bit. I'm just gonna be doing it after dinner. Well, after dinner comes, the same thing happen. We say that, you know what? I'm really exhausted. Let me just do it tomorrow. Okay, we basically don't have a clear plan when are we going to be doing it. We just procrastinate, postpone it, and basically the next day the same cycle happens, right? So one really practical way to solve this problem is to just set on a clear time, like example at 5 a.m., 5 p.m., and then set a clear time to do something, and then we set on an alarm, okay? So it kind of gives us some clear signal on, like a clear signal, and also to remind us to do that thing. Okay, but some of you guys might actually have realized this thing, right? Like this is pretty basic actually. Some of you guys might say something like that. Okay, then here's the thing. I got a tip for you guys. Instead of just setting on an alarm, right? You need to also change the alarm tone from the default mode, maybe like this beep 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 beep. We need to change that alarm tone into something that can trigger something inside of us. Okay? That can trigger some emotion inside of us. So for example, yeah, instead of just having the default alarm tone, we are gonna be changing it into one of our favorite music, or maybe like one of our favorite motivational music. Okay, for me, for example, I really got motivated every single time I listen to Dragon Quest series. Okay, Dragon Quest series music. It really motivates me to actually do my stuff even on the days when I'm not really feeling that motivated. Or maybe we can also change the alarm tone into one of our favorite motivational speech from our one of our favorite motivational speaker, right? So basically, even on the days when we are not really motivated to actually do that thing, the probability of us actually doing that thing when we change the alarm tone into something specific like this, something motivational like this, the probability of us actually doing that thing is going to be higher, right? Because we are going to be feeling motivated, right? And even if we don't feel, here's the thing, even if we don't feel motivated, even after we listen to the audio, to the alarm tone, that's still gonna be okay, because at least it's gonna be reminding us of our reasons, right, why we do that thing. Okay, so just imagine, on the days when I'm not feeling motivated, even after I listen to the audio, I'm still gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what? I don't really feel like I'm motivated to do this studying today. And even after I watch, even after I listen to the audio, to the music, to the motivational music, I still don't feel like I want to do it. Okay, but hey, like, this music kind of reminds me of my reason why I do this thing in the first place. And yeah, my reason is something that's really important. So even if I don't feel like I want to do it on this day, on today, well, I'm still gonna be doing it anyway, okay? Because this is really important for me, right? So yeah, that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, by having a really clear time when are you going to be doing that thing. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Bye bye. Oh, and yeah, for today's date authenticity post, today Mimzar, March 12th, 2025, Mimzar posted a husky post husky next to a wolf post last 24 hours. Thank you.